Antonyms, opposites in English, with meaning in Hindi and Urdu. Above, below, absence, presence, abundance, lack, to accept, to refuse, accidental, intentional, active, lazy, to add, to subtract, to admit, to deny, adult, child, advanced, elementary, affirmative, negative, afraid, brave, after, before, against, for, alike, different, alive, dead, all, none, always, never, ancient, modern, to agree, to refuse, to argue, to allow, to forbid, already, not yet, always, never, amateur, professional, to amuse, to bore, angel, devil, animal, human, to annoy, to satisfy, to answer, to ask, answer, question, antonym, synonym, apart, together, approximately, exactly, to argue, to agree, to arrest, to free, to set free, arrival, departure, to arrive, to depart, to leave, artificial, natural, to ask, to answer, asleep, awake, to attack, to defend, attack, defense, protection, attic, cellar, autumn, spring, awake, asleep, awful, delicious, nice, pleasant. Back, in front of. Background, foreground. Backward, forward. Bad, good. Bad luck, fortune, good luck. Beauty, ugliness. Before, after. To begin, to end, to finish. Beginning, end, ending. Behind, in front of. Below, above. Best, worst. Better, worse. Beautiful, ugly. Big, small. Birth, death. Bitter, sweet. Black, white. Blunt, sharp. Body, soul. To bore, to amuse, to be interested in. Boring, exciting, interesting. To borrow, to lend. Bottom, top. Boy, girl. Brave, coward, afraid. To break, to mend, to fix. Broad, narrow. Brother, sister. To build, to destroy. Busy, lazy. To buy, to sell. Calm, excited. Careful, careless. Careless, careful. To catch, to miss, to throw. Ceiling, floor. Cellar, attic. Center, outskirts, suburb. Certainly, probably. Changeable, constant. Cheap, expensive. Child, adult, grown up. Children, parents. Clean, dirty. Clever, stupid. To close, to open. Closed, open. Cloudy, clear, sunny, bright. Cold, eat, to come, to go, comedy, drama, tragedy, complicated, simple, compliment, insult, compulsory, voluntary, to connect, to separate, consonant, vowel, constant, changeable, construction, destruction, to continue, to interrupt, cool, warm, correct, false, wrong, courage, fear, courageous, cowardly, cowardly, brave, courageous, to create, to destroy, cruel, human, kind, humane, to cry, to whisper, to cry, to laugh, curly, straight, to damage, to repair, danger, security, safety, dangerous, safe, dark, light, daughter, sun, dawn, dusk, day, night, deep, shallow, defeat, victory, delicious, awful, to deny, to admit, to depart, to arrive, departure, arrival, desperate, hopeful, to destroy, to build, to create, to form, destruction, construction, devil, angel, dictatorship, democracy, to die, to live, different, alike, equal, the same, difficult, easy, dirty, clean, disease, health, distant, near, to divide, to unite, division, unity, to divorce, to marry, divorce, marriage, wedding, divorced, married, domestic, foreign, down, up, downstairs, upstairs, drama, comedy, dry, humid, wet. Dull, interesting. Dusk, dawn. Early, late. East, west. Easy, difficult, hard. Elementary, advanced. To emigrate, to immigrate. Emigration, immigration. Empty, full. To end, to begin. End, beginning. Ending, beginning. Enemy, friend. To enjoy, to hate. To enter, to leave. Entrance, exit. Equal, different. Even, odd. Evening, morning. Everybody, nobody. Everything, nothing. Exactly, approximately. Excited, calm. Exciting, boring. To exclude, to include. Exit, entrance. Expensive, cheap. Export, import. Exposure, shelter. Extreme, moderate. To fail, to succeed, to pass. Failure, success. Far, near. Fast, slow. Fat, slim, thin. Fear, courage. Female, male. Few, many. Final, first. To finish, to begin. Finish, start. First, final, last. To fix, to break. Flat, hilly. Floor, ceiling. To follow, to lead. To forbid, to allow, to let, to permit. For, against. Foreground, background. Foreign, domestic. Foreign, foreigner, native. To forget, to remember. To form, to destroy. fortune, bad luck. Forward, backward. To free, to arrest. To freeze, to melt. Frequently, occasionally. Friend, enemy. Front, rear. In front of, back, behind. Full, empty. Funny, serious. Future, past, present. General, particular, special. Generous, mean. Gentle, violent, rough, strict. Gentleman, lady. Girl, boy. To give, to take. To go, to come, to stop. Good, bad. Godfather, godmother. Grown up, child. Guest, host. Guilty, innocent. Happiness, sadness. Happy, sad. Handsome, ugly. Hard, easy, soft. To harvest, to plant. To hate, to enjoy, to like, to love. Health, disease, illness. Healthy, ill, sick. Heat, cold. Heaven, hell. Heavy, light. Hell, heaven. Here, there. High, deep. High, low. Hilly, flat. To hit, to miss. Hopeful, desperate, hopeless. Hopeless, hopeful. Horizontal, vertical. Host, guest, visitor. Hot, cold. Huge, tiny. Human, animal. Humane, cruel. Humid, dry. Hungry, thirsty. Husband, wife. In front of, back, behind. To ignore, to notice. Ill, healthy, well. To immigrate, to emigrate. Immigration, emigration. Import, export. In, out. To include, to exclude. To increase, to reduce. Innocent, guilty. Inside, outside. Insult, compliment. Intelligent, stupid, stupidity, silly. Intentional, accidental. Interested, bored. Interesting, boring, dull. To interrupt, to continue. To jeopardize, to secure. Jolly, unhappy. Junior, senior.